Honestly, I don't think people understand the need for a Web3 social media platform. Social media platforms in Web2 are now overly centralized, which means they often collect and store vast amounts of user data, including personal informations. Welcome to a new video where I'm going to be checking out a social media ecosystem that is going to reshape and build the future of social media. The future of social media should give users the ability to explore and socialize, and most importantly, Maringo is the next generation social network that integrates Web3 functionalities. It is the app individuals, businesses, and communities that want to monetize their social experience use to interact and connect. Maringo is one app with limitless possibilities. Think of it as a messaging app with video and voice call features, an online shop, a digital wallet, and to crown it all, it is an app that pays your bills. On Maringo, you will discover content from users and creators you follow, where you get to explore your interests and connections. You socialize with all kinds of humans, businesses, and communities by sending either direct messages or using public comments and reactions. Finally, you get to earn and get rewarded for your content interactions, bringing in your friends, and participating in online events. Personally, I have started using Maringo so that I can become one of the top creators in the next generation of social media. Join me on Maringo with the link around this video. You can also check out the Maringo website for more information. Expect more videos on Maringo as things unfold. Don't forget to like this video and follow for more.